most of us do have a different application on our phone that we use whenever you want to go to a place. These softwares I'm talking about are software that enables us to travel from one place to another. Some of these softwares can be Bolt, Uber, Indriver, and the rest. Today we'll be looking at which of them offers the best price to 8 passengers or to 8 clients, and which of them also benefit us too. Without wasting my time, we are also going to delve in and look at the various aspects of it and see which one of them will best suit you whenever you want to travel, either a short distance or a longer distance. Without wasting my time, let's go straight into the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Please click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a video, you will get a notification. Let's go straight into the video. I do have the apps on my phone. I have Bolt and I have Uber. Today I'm going to compare Bolt and Uber, the same destination. So let's start with the Indriver. There is the Indriver and there is the interface. Automatically it has pinned to where I am right now. So from where I am right now, maybe I may decide to change it. For the purpose of this video, let's use a common place. Assuming I want to use maybe Sofoli. Let's use Kwadaso Market. Kwadaso Market to Bantama Market. Now the price given to us is 11 cedis for the journey. That is from Kwadaso Market to Bantama Market. It is 11 cedis. And when you click on request for a drive, one lovely thing about the Indriver is that you get different drivers to choose from. So with the Indriver, the price they are charging is 11 cedis. So let's go to the other platform and see how much we are also going to pay for the same destination and distance. So we are going to Bolt. So there is Bolt. So where am I going? I'll clean the first one and I'll pick Kwadaso Market as we use first. So this is Kwadaso Market to Bantama Market. So the same destination. You see here I am paying 10 cedis. I am paying 10 cedis. A very short destination, very short distance. I'm paying 10 cedis on Bolt and 11 cedis on Indriver.